This is how to solve a division problem. I will now read the story to you. Nathan has 60 brownies. He wants to share them equally with 8 people. How many brownies does each person get? Now Nathan will show you how to solve this problem.
Alright, this is how you solve this problem. First, you put the 60 over here. And what I call, and then you do this. I call that the house. And then you put the smaller number over here. In this case, it would be a 9 because it's 8 people plus me. So it would be a 9. And then you try to take small chunks away from 60. You can't do a 10 because 10 times 9 is 90, and you can't do 60 minus 90. But you can do a 5. And 5 times 9 is 45. And then you do 60 minus 45 equals. Alright, and then you do 60 minus 45. You can't do 0 minus 5. So you have to go over and borrow from here. From right. And then you do 60 minus 45. You can't do 0 minus 5. So you would do borrow from the 6 and make that a 5. So you would take away 10. And then you'd put 10 onto this, and that would be 10. And then 10 minus 5 is 5. And 5 minus 4 is 1. And then you would do 9 times something equals 15. 9 times nothing equals 15. So you can do 9 times 1. And then you do 9 goes into 15. How many times 9 goes into 15? 9 goes into 15 0 times. So you can't do 9 times anything to get 15. But you do a number that's close to 15, so you can do 9 times 1. So you put the 9 down here, and then you put the 1 over here to do 9 times 1. And then you do 5 minus 9. You can't do that. So you have to borrow from the 1 and make that a 0. And then you have to make this a 15. And then you do 15 minus 9 is 6. I'm going to put the 6 over here till I run out of room. And it equals 6. And so the answer, you did not get rid of all of the brownies. So the answer is 6, remainder of 6. And with the remainders, you don't have to do anything with them. You just leave them aside, and you have 6 brownies left over. And then 6 people get brownies. That is how you solve a division problem.